High ping and lag can ruin your Marvel Rivals experience. Ping, measured in milliseconds, is the time it takes for data to travel between your computer and the game server. Ideally, you want a ping under 50 milliseconds for competitive gameplay. Lag is the delay or unresponsiveness you experience in-game due to network issues. This can manifest as stuttering, rubber banding, or delayed actions. We'll cover fixes to improve this in upcoming sections. Marvel Rivals includes a network diagnostics tool in the settings that helps you monitor your connection in real time. Use this tool to check your ping, which is the time data takes to travel to the game server and back. Also monitor jitter, which is the variability in ping, and packet loss, where data packets don't reach the server. High jitter or packet loss indicates an unstable connection that can cause lag. To reduce ping, manually select a region closest to your physical location in the game settings. Test different regions and note the ping values. Choose the one with the lowest ping for the best gaming experience. Basic network optimization starts with your connection type. A wired Ethernet connection provides the most stable and low latency link to your router. Wi-Fi adds extra latency due to wireless interference and signal strength variations. Switching to Ethernet can reduce ping by 10 to 50 milliseconds. Your router plays a key role in gaming performance. Ensure it's optimized for gaming with features like quality of service. Quality of service, or QoS, prioritizes gaming traffic over other internet activities. This reduces lag during gameplay by ensuring your game packets get priority. Finally, keep your router firmware up to date. Updates often include performance improvements and security fixes that can reduce latency. Software tweaks can significantly reduce ping and lag in Marvel Rivals. First, close unnecessary applications that consume bandwidth. Programs like streaming services, downloads, or other games running in the background can use your internet connection, causing higher ping and interruptions during gameplay. Next, update your network adapter and GPU drivers for optimal performance. Outdated drivers can cause performance issues and contribute to lag. For network adapters, open Device Manager, find your network device, and update the driver. For GPU drivers, use tools like GeForce Experience to check for and install the latest drivers. Updated drivers ensure smoother performance and lower latency in games. Port forwarding is an advanced technique that can help bypass network address translation issues in your router, potentially reducing ping in Marvel Rivals. Network address translation, or NAT, is how your router shares one public IP address with multiple devices. This can sometimes cause connection issues that increase ping. Port forwarding tells your router to send specific data directly to your gaming device. To set up port forwarding for Marvel Rivals, you'll need to access your router's admin panel and forward UDP ports in the range of 27,000 to 27050. These are the specific ports the game uses for communication. Here's how to do it. First, access your router's admin panel by typing its IP address into your browser. Find the port forwarding section in the settings. Add a new rule for UDP protocol with the port range 27,000 to 27050. Point it to your computer's local IP address. Save the changes and restart your router. Important security note: while port forwarding can improve your connection, it opens specific ports on your network. This could potentially expose your device to security risks. Make sure to disable port forwarding when you're not actively playing the game, and consider using it only during gaming sessions. After setting up port forwarding correctly, you should see a noticeable reduction in ping, improving your gameplay experience. A VPN, or virtual private network, can help optimize your connection for Marvel Rivals by bypassing ISP throttling and routing your data through faster network paths. ISPs sometimes throttle internet speeds, especially during peak hours. A VPN encrypts your traffic and can route it through unrestricted paths, potentially improving your connection speed. VPNs can also reroute your connection through more efficient network infrastructure. This is especially useful if your direct path to the game servers has congestion or high latency. Experiment with different VPN servers to find the one that gives you the lowest ping. Each server location can offer different routing paths and performance. Choose a VPN server geographically close to the Marvel Rivals game server location. Proximity to servers typically means lower latency and faster response times. However, be aware that VPNs can sometimes increase latency due to the extra routing and encryption overhead. Always test your connection thoroughly before using it for competitive gaming. Server congestion during peak hours can cause significant lag, even with a good internet connection. When too many players connect simultaneously, servers become overloaded, leading to higher ping and delays. To avoid this, try playing during off-peak times. Peak hours are typically evenings and weekends when most players are online. Consider playing during midday on weekdays when server load is lighter. Lowering graphics settings can also help reduce lag. High settings put more stress on your computer, causing frame rate drops and input delays. Even minor adjustments can improve responsiveness. Finally, make sure your game is updated to the latest version. Updates often include bug fixes and performance optimizations that can reduce lag and improve stability. The future of lag reduction in Marvel Rivals includes AI-driven network optimization and 5G advancements. NetEase is actively implementing AI to dynamically adjust server loads, predicting traffic and scaling resources automatically. This technology, shown here, analyzes patterns to minimize delays. As Marvel Rivals expands to mobile platforms, 5G optimization will be crucial for minimizing lag. The high-speed, low-latency capabilities of 5G networks illustrated in this diagram will enable smooth gameplay on smartphones and tablets. Keep an eye out for these advancements, as they promise to deliver lower ping and more reliable connections for a better gaming experience.